Life can get super hectic sometimes. With balancing work, a personal life and a social life, checking everything off your list is easier said than done. Thankfully, if you have an Amazon Alexa, help is just a few words away. Alexa can do more than just play music or read you the news. There are plenty of Alexa productivity hacks for planning your day so things feel just a little less chaotic. So we bring you few Alexa hacks that will help you start your day, plan your schedule, stay productive and get through the work week like a champ. Amazon Alexa increasing your productivity. Set timers while getting ready. If you want to get into the habit of getting ready more quickly in the morning, you can use Alexa's timers to make sure you're not taking too long to get ready. Simply say something along the lines of, Alexa, set a time for 20 minutes and you can make sure you're doing your morning routine promptly. You'll be able to get out of the door with just enough time to not worry about being late. You can make the most of this by setting timers for various tasks of the day. Keep track of your schedule. Part of planning your day involves knowing what the day already consists of. You can keep up with your calendar without even having to pull out your phone. Just ask your device something like, Alexa, what's on my calendar today? Or, Alexa, when is my next meeting? And you'll be able to make sure you're keeping up with your schedule even when you're busy doing other things. Check your email on the go. In the hustle and bustle of every day, you might not get a free second to sit down and check your email before getting to work, especially if you drive or have to do something else on your commute. With Alexa, you can check your emails without missing a beat. You can ask, Alexa, do I have emails from Ajay? And your device will read your emails out loud and even let you verbally respond to any email. Get more motivated to conquer the day. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your productivity is to get a little excited about starting your day. With Alexa's daily motivation skill, you can start your day with an inspiring quote that's sure to set a positive and a go-getting mood for the rest of the day. By saying, Alexa, start my day and motivate me, you'll be able to start your day on the right foot and with the right words. Create reminders. Sometimes planning your day happens after your day has already started. If you have a doctor's appointment to go to or an important phone call to make, you can ask Alexa to set a reminder to make sure you get things done. You can say, Alexa, remind me to call Kshitij at 3 p.m. and Alexa will even send you an alert of that time, letting you know you have something to do. You can go throughout your day adding reminders without even lifting a finger. Whatever your day might look like, you can use Alexa to plan it a little better and relieve yourself from some stress. How many of these features did you know? Tell us and stay tuned for more videos.